Hey, you're here because you're wondering how you can create multiple Instagram accounts, but more importantly, how to verify your email address in Jarvee. So let's just dive into it. I created another video about this, but I want to take you through the process because a question I got a lot is, okay, I created the Instagram accounts, but how do you verify them without logging in on your phone and creating all this mess if you're working with Jarvee, right? So let's just dive into it. Let me see if I can share my screen here. So this is one of our my Instagram accounts, and I just want to take you through the whole process in Jarvee. So let's swipe over to Jarvee, and then where you want to go is to Global Tools, where I mentioned that, and you want to create Instagram account. So we are here. And from this point, we're gonna, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create multiple Instagram accounts from scratch. So let's, first of all, what we need is we need email addresses, and we need, we need email addresses. So there's also, you have Gmail, mail.ru, and all these things. If you're really using Instagram for your business, then invest a little, and I would recommend to use Hashmail. Just go to hashmail.com. It's no affiliate whatsoever. You can just go here, hashmail.com, and create an account. I think it's $35 per year. But if you have any other email service that we create unlimited aliases, that is why I like this program. Is when you go to Preferences, you go to email aliases, and you see all these Instagram accounts. And feel free to email me here, but you will not see any email back because I never watch them. So how does this work? Is that you just add an alias. So let's say YouTube video, and I call it YouTube video 1, and YouTube video 1, and I do I copy this because I'm going to create multiple Instagram accounts, right? YouTube video 1. And yeah, it works. So I can also create YouTube video 2 and hit save. And there it is. And I can do number 3 as well. So let's just stick with 3, or else we get a very long video here. But what we're gonna do now is YouTube video. I'm gonna copy paste this. And this is the one I saved. So now I go back to Jarvee and I do 1, 2, and 3, right? So I add this. It's 1 and 2 and 3. So I have to change this. And I have to change this to 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. That should be great. And then I'm gonna tick all the boxes here. And the next thing I want to do is assign proxies. So now I have my proxies added. And so I don't have to do email password. I don't have to do email server. If you have Gmail or Yahoo or the other ones, you can do this. But I just want to show you here a server that you don't have to. If you cannot do that on automation, having mail.ru is just complicated. It's in Russian. There, I did a video about it. You can see it here. How to create one mail.ru account in English. It's actually quite easy, but it's a lot of work. So as you see, I just created 3 new email addresses within 30 seconds. So that is why I recommend you to just invest a little bit and get a good email service system. So what you want to do now, you don't have to, you just go here, and I want to keep an eye on this. So I've done everything correct. I just can do start creating accounts. Now, this is just going to be a process that's going to take a while, and as you see, I'm not doing anything. It will just take you through the whole process of creating. So what it will do now, all fully automated, is fill out the username, fill out the email address that we created, and of course the password that it is. And it's just going to take, so YouTube video 1 in harsh.com, so that's correct. And now we'll fill out the username, the password, and then we'll see what happens. It is very possible that we get an error. It just sometimes happens. And what you will do, oh, no errors here. So what do you do if you get an error? I'm just going to wait for this to pop away. Or I can just move it over. you have here the reprocess, but you see it's only 2 now. And if it's if there's an error, this will say error, and you just hit reprocess, it will turn green again in waiting, and you do again create. So this is just a process that we're gonna keep on going. So I'm gonna pause the video for now, and we'll be back with you when they are both here. So I'm back. I think it took me about 1 minute, 1.5 minutes to go through this. And one of the 2 accounts hit an error. So I thought it was actually really great. So I can show you what happened. So the only thing that you do is reprocess and start creating an account. And it could be possible that it gives another error or whatever. Don't make a big fuss of it. It just can happen. But most often is just going through the process again, and then it's created. So what happens normally if you create an account, you get an email from Jarvee asking you to verify your account, and that is exactly what we are waiting for. Let's just see what this one does. Just 1 second, and so we have the name, and here we've got the password. And let's see if number 3 is going to be great as well. And it is. So now we have 3 accounts. So what we want to do is actually just going to leave this like here, and it's still processing. But if you see it's when it's done, and this pops away, or it's gone, it will automatically go here. So the next thing that you will do is you go to results, and now you see here, you see that I created many accounts like this. So this is the part we want to focus on. So if you have Gmail or you add your password in and everything, and that works, you can just confirm it will be confirmed automatic. But if you not, what you want to do is you go to your Gmail or to your email service, and you're going to check email again. The last one is not there, but the first 2 are. So let's go here, and this is WTSP3 up. And what you want to do is you want to right click on the button. Do not click it, because then it will open another window and you have to log in into your Instagram account. And you don't want that, because you created your Instagram account through one IP, one proxy, one dedicated proxy. You want to keep it all in there, right? So you don't want to log in here through the IP of your VPS. So what you want to do is you save the link. You want to copy the link address. And then you go back to Jarvee, and this is this one. So, and then in here, confirmation URL. You just want to paste it in here, and then you want to confirm account. And now we have to wait and see. It goes in here. It opens up a window again. You can actually do this one by one. I tried it with multiple, but in the meantime we can go here, go to the inbox. See, number 3 is there, and again, right click, copy, go back to Jarvee, and then, I forgot to watch, this is the TLY, and in the meantime, the other one is going through the process. You see, I just go here, paste it in there, and go here, and what I only have to do is confirm account, and that will take this thing. And as you see, the first one here is now account ready to use. And then you just scroll to the right, it's this one, it is already it's okay. I tick the box here, so that is good to know, because if you can add them manually, but let me see, that's here, settings, add account to social program after email is confirmed. So if you do it on automate, if it's automated, it will put it in Jarvee. If it's not, you have to wait until the results get in here, so you now see it's valid, and then it's after 5 seconds it says important. Guys, this is how you verify your email address, and that is how you create multiple Instagram accounts in Jarvee. If you want to learn how to manage all these accounts and really how to, build them and grow them and attract new customers or attract new, followers, up to minimum of 100 followers per day, then I recommend you to check out the course. We have the Instagram selling system, the Instagram mastery course, and it will take you through the process of setting everything up here in about 45 videos, but it's always expanding and growing, because if there are new things in algorithms, hey, we update it, and if there is issue, we create new videos for that. But in the basics, I take you through the whole process, even funnel building, and the automation program, and the most latest updated settings that you will not find here anywhere on YouTube, because time passes and YouTube videos are not able to be updated. So make sure that you get your hands on the most updated versions and the latest settings, and then you're good to go. So I hope this was helpful. I hope this was, you can move on in your business or building your Instagram accounts. If so, if you got value, give me a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And of course, tick the bell icon so you get notified the next time I upload a video. Guys, this was it for today. I'll talk to you soon.